friends, today we're going to be making club sandwiches. This recipe is for people who go to school or jobs and they want to have this for lunch. Because it's a really easy recipe, it takes up to 10 to 15 minutes, no more longer than that. So let's jump into a recipe. So first things first, you will need some boneless chicken. And this is just as required, so basically as many sandwiches you're making, that's as many boneless chicken you're taking. Next, you will need 1 tablespoon mustard paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. We are going to take the chicken and put it inside the bowl, just like as you can see. Now we're going to add the ingredients. So the black pepper, then the salt, then the garlic and ginger paste, and the mustard paste. Now we're going to mix the ingredients into the chicken. We're now going to add some lemon juice to it. Again, mix it. Now we're going to add some cling film to that and leave it to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Now we're going to take our grill, heat it up and put some oil over it with our pastry brush. And now we're going to add our chicken on top to cook. Just like that. Now flip the chicken over and close the lid of the grill. Now it's been 2 to 3 minutes and you can check up on the chicken. As you can see, it's ready from one side. Now we need to flip it over and close the lid again. Now we are going to cut up the chicken into strips, as you can see. Now it's been 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to check up on the chicken again. Now you can see that it's all cooked from both the sides. So now we're going to be making a garlic and mayo sauce. We will need 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 tablespoon mayo and some black pepper. And now we're going to mix all that together. And look, our sauce is made now. So the things that you will need to assemble your burger are bread. We have Gouda bread. You can toast it if you'd like. You will also need sliced cucumbers, sliced tomatoes, boiled eggs, which also need to be sliced, lettuce, obviously the chicken, cheese slices, olives, coleslaw and mayo. Now let's assemble our burger. Now the burger is assembled, let's cut it and see what it looks like from the inside. There we go, guys, our club sandwiches are made. As you can see, it really looks good from inside. As you can see all the colours, it looks nice. Guys, please try this recipe out as it's really easy and it's really simple. This recipe, you can either take it for lunch if you're going to work or school. You can either just eat it for lunch or dinner as well. If you enjoyed the video and found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and share this recipe with your friends and family. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more recipes like these. Hit the notification button if you want to get notified. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.